Healthcare and the Treaty of Waitangi.
When I first came to New Zealand, I didn't really understand why I, as a health professional, needed to understand the treaty. I mean, I'm a doctor. Of course I care about all of my patients and want the best for all of them.
As a health professional, you know the statistics. Māori people experience worse health than any other population in New Zealand. Yet this nation was founded on a document that promised Māori at least the same level of healthcare as other peoples. What happened? Healthcare and the Treaty of Waitangi explores the story of the treaty and its impact on healthcare.
The only way I can understand the New Zealand healthcare system is to understand how it developed. And to do that, I need to understand the treaty.
Far from a dry academic exercise, Healthcare and the Treaty of Waitangi leads you and your staff through the story of Aotearoa, a story full of high hopes, broken promises and drama. But unlike most on-screen dramas, this one's real, and it's still being told. Healthcare and the Treaty of Waitangi shows healthcare workers that the story isn't over yet, that it's still being written day by day in clinics and consultations around the country. This story can have a happy ending, and it's up to us to write it.
Learning about the treaty is really learning about my patients, their context, and how best to help them.
Using interactive exercises, video commentary and simple module-based learning, Healthcare and the Treaty of Waitangi enables people to take the course in their own time on any internet connection. In a course that takes less than an hour to complete, healthcare workers can get an emotionally engaging overview of how the treaty affects their everyday work. Completing this course also contributes to cultural competency, as required by the Health Practitioners Competency Assurance Act and the Code of Health and Disability Services Consumers' Rights. Modiora Associates produced Healthcare and the Treaty of Waitangi to provide a new way of learning to fit stretched workforces and budgets. We've used the latest technology to deliver infotainment, useful, credible knowledge presented in an entertaining, informative way. Designed to appeal to different learning styles, Healthcare and the Treaty of Waitangi uses visual, auditory and kinesthetic cues to enable learners to get the most out of the information. Healthcare workers will learn from a panel of experts through video commentary. Panel members have worked at the forefront of New Zealand's healthcare system, trained NASA astronauts, lectured New Zealand culture, history and politics, and led opinions on treaty issues in the New Zealand health sector. Healthcare and the Treaty of Waitangi offers learning that's flexible, fast, inexpensive, online, emotionally engaging, and enables you and your staff to meet legal and professional obligations and enjoy the journey. The story's not over. Write your chapter. Let us help you change for the better today.